They are now put some magic words, spell it to move.
Oh ya, nanti Pak Lokus serahkan. Pak Direktur
Now Lucas start to move and start to have a very crazy wild movement. And now they just train it, it's going to happen here and there. And the magic power of the gene inside the Lucas. You are welcome to touch. Dalam mengenai ruang gerak permainan Lukah Gilo ini.
Kita hidupkan dulu. Nah, try to start at the beginning.
And again, you are welcome to try the magic strength. Kami mohon kasih bergerak permainan Lukah Gilo ini karena gerakannya tidak ketahui bisa saja menimpa.
Vertical structure underneath, and you saw the man pray. He put something in the head and then said a few words, and then the rest of them meditated over it, and then all of a sudden there was some energy pushing up. So we tried to hold it down. That's basically what we were doing, just to hold it down. And it's quite see, I'm sweating. It's quite powerful, quite strong. So we have to pull, hold it down as long as possible until the energy is happy that we've done enough. So enough.